manke teachers, manke feeders, manke police. So my area is about transportation. So we go back to transportation. So the Dinijama and Kebal Kafranyo come from Flajambi. Now Monkey follow coming out in 2017. Whatever you know from camp because you know what legally registered in 2019. But we engage with the government in those days. The current transport laws, what we call transport policy, is outdated policy. Does it reflect at reality at the ground? Our previous administration will be done. The transport ya negligent, ye nyaka salary, ima kumayandi, ima valley. Wala na be you and I, ane odo manjibega bataka. So when na go, say approve e fale. Alna policy njibe. Coming up policy njibe, policy is outdated policy. Does it reflect at the reality at the ground? So we engage with the government in 2017 for NATA government convinced through our stakeholders' effort, government NATA new transport policy from 2018 to 2027. So we have a policy document. We have a policy direction for 10 years. Now that's a starting point. In those days, so the Ministry of Transportation. The name is the Ministry of Transportation. But any officer is responsible for transportation. It's not there. The name is as a ministry. The minister is there as a Minister of Transportation. PS Abandir, office dedicated for transportation is not there. We all know. In those days, in 2017.
Yeah.
Now, in those days, we all know the way ministry operates. Each individual have assignments, have responsibilities. But let me inform you, in ministry, from 2017, any officer at ministry, the office assigned transport office at the through consulting with the ministry and efforts, the government NATA Directory of Transport created on the ministry in 2021 in the first time in the history of Gambia.
On that all?
On the Ministry of Transport.
Okay.
Through our Konga effort, in Gambia NATA Directory of Transport on the ministry in this current regime in 2021 in the first time in the history of the Gambia. So coming on the ministry, you must staff for Traje, about Traje, about particular in transportation aspect. We have their expert, their technocrats on the subject matter. So we are complaining about every year 150 people will die on our road, based on road accident or road crash, any name you call it. Strategy me anko asaning ning atom trano. And what is the causes of accidents? Survey mantraji. So ministry nara survey ko according to the survey nara ko the 95% of accidents are human errors. So we cannot call it accidentally. It's human errors. We can predict it and you can prevent it.
All the exactly.
I'll come there.
Okay.
So we now discuss for another road service strategy from 2020 to 2030. Currently, Gambia have a road service strategy from 2020 to 2030. What kind of jamano ko? Say Gambia for kuo ko mun luwat. Ngolo am 1948 mo fo. O luwa wol ba dama over 79 years. O luwa ba dama dama wulu. So now government engage okuala for B government nata consultant hire ya more consult the committee draft law muyanko is already validated from external committee science we have a draft new transport bill road transport bill muyanko is reflected with our current reality.
Okay.
Muyanko some of the points still I don't agree with my people. We have an observation. We wrote to the government can consider. But still, Safonoko, Safonoko, not adopt about a game change in the transport sector. No, still, the law point we feel it's important. We engage the ministry, the number of engage for us assembly. Let's have laws is reflected with our economy, our environment, our social cultures. Those are very important points. And the one thing of Monaco, most of the laws in this country are not implemented because the laws are not, in effect with our economy, our environment, our social cultures. These are key things because but today, with all this we have a new transport bill in Gambia, through our regime. Gambia, for example, Gambia. We are a foundation center in translation. Some take a block of the words and don't. So, okay.
Aliakata, including
you.
Okay. Say nu fana nta paso la zero for no ma essence sofa. But in driver fana ni afo ikafol ko essence so certain wala problem wala naitol fana ika paso ikake anyhow min diate ndafa kuno mbasi kan lamen $25 singola jo yala certale nteya. So say fuel la carola al amna mala plan soti woto.
Ah, ika certete yare ni yo for mo kuno. Yeah. The fuel price near GBB, coming pass on fala in 2021. The committee that sit assessment okay. We have consulted almost 2 months. Nga kacha mamuna kinola to bring living playing ground because gas oil is very important to our day-to-day operations. When safono gas oil or diesel car around 3% play into our operations. So other things coming like maintenance, essential good, you name them. Or Tabakan Paso in 2021, the liter of gas liter by $52, 23 butut, almost liter bolt. B, gas liter by $85, 60 butut. 8 liter, $33, 37 butut level. 8 liter. Liter, dalasi tan saba, anin saba, anin bulu tan saba, anin warawala, o level ye. $33, 37 butut. Mina in percentage, Allah fata around 63%, 98, 63.98%. Allah fata Allah. So automatically, we operation affect. Yena say maintenance cost la. Maintenance cost be a double tag. Because we all know the cost of spare parts. Routine maintenance, traffic congestions. Essential good la. These are people who drive from go. They have families. They are the people of their families. You must all be able to dingle be able to they tell you to take care. You don't marshal be marshal minister drive.
Exactly.
Minister can drive for Kolosan. Jolis or Kolosan. So inflation can affect it. So automatically, so I'm like, government like you know, Ningasoko. Government sa gas in Talano. Nintana document in Kono. We bring the recommendation of government as a reflect on the end users. But as far as it's not validated, I cannot publish it. But we have a very good, proposals for government. Kayoko, if a government like Kagasho Tala for commercial drivers, they can sustain their daily routines, daily operation. But that recommendation is not validated from the executive, so I cannot forward. But I believe before end of this week, I can have the liberty from my executive to speak it out.
Okay. Mala moy kan den.
Inshallah.
Alma be sonia. Say ni nata mano fana nakaro jibela especially nanyim provinces walten je ya bad road sotol. Say GTU wa minake kan pour kaje ko nga road kendol soto pour mo la smooth daily day everyday fonko smoothly running.
Thank you so much. Any platform be nga follow nga Gambia government to do back for road infrastructure network. It's very important to our economic growth, our trade, our related services within the rural Gambia and urban Gambia. Gambia government for now, it Gambia Dawada, you can't see like at least Hanaman get first class but second class. May I say it's motorist. Motorist no. But the problem here is with the road, they don't observe maintenance aspect. Now you go water that if I'm forced out. They are very good road infrastructure. But she don't even do that with that amount of money that Nima maintenance, that means sustainability is not there anymore. So what this is one of the recommendations, the blood point for the meeting. Driver in because Nyajibe like, for example, Southern Bank, Southern Road from Brigamo to Foni. She don't hear that. The road side, the road shoulder is like a thing. Yeah, she look a shoulder, make a footpath. So no more maintenance. In time goes up, number two, the guy somehow since I said because I'm going to but the proper maintenance I'm also the so a time goes on a friend I So the moment time be tomorrow it's gonna cost government a lot of money.